Okay, so today we are gonna see how can we run the Docker container using the Docker Compose and also individually. So let me open one application. I have a sample application here, and which is basically a stock app. So I will just open this in VS Code. Okay. So this is my image. Uh, this is my project structure, which is basically a template, and this the backend is written in Django. So here is the views.py file, which just fetch from this API, get the stock list and prices from this API, and okay, and then just it shows the output. So I will just quickly run this and show you how does it look like. Docker images. Now I have this doc app already created, so I will just show you Docker stock. Just capturing Docker stock. Scrap, and then we have to tag the image, otherwise it will just look in the Docker hub and will just fail because I have this locally created. So Docker runs, so Django basically runs on 8000 port by default, so I'm going to map it the same to my local 8000. Then what else we need? Okay, that's all. We just hit this and then we will run. And this address locally. Dot one. Oops. Localhost 27. I'm just tapping them. I'm tapping dot one, and the port is 8000. So now I will just run this and we will check if it is the same image. So this is how it basically looks like when you click on add stock. It will add the stock, like can get the price of IBM here. It will not work because the API key got expired, so that's why it will not show you. So the website is basically working, as you can see here. You can add the stock and then it will show the list according to the price code, and you will just enter the ticker here, any ticker. So now what we can do is uh, so it is running here. Okay. Docker Prune. Docker what is show component will just connect to this WordPress container now and we will check. Docker run WordPress. I don't know which port it runs, so I will figure it out now. Now I will just Docker images. Yes, this WordPress container is running. Okay, Docker. It's listening to the port 80. So what I will do is Docker stop. Wait to run it again. WD pipeline. Now I'm stopping this. Now Docker run. Again I will run it -p 80, then map to 80, then WordPress. Okay, and I will give it name. My name WordPress only, and WordPress here also. So it will, it is now. Okay, let's see on the port 80. 80 27. Okay, English, United States. Okay, and we'll 72 pointers. Okay, now here I will just name the example user me, do I will set some password. Okay, database table prefix. Okay, it is showing error establishing a database connections, that the username and password configuration config is missing. So basically it requires a MySQL database also. So I will just run the MySQL database here in the new terminal. I will open here Docker pull MySQL. Okay, and link the MySQL image. Meanwhile, what we can do, okay, so it has downloaded. Now I will just run this Docker, and we will need PHP my admin also, so we will just put Docker pull PHP my admin. So we have pulled the MySQL image. Let's try to connect it to the MySQL by first stopping the container. Okay, this 35A Docker stop. Sorry, this is not a stop. Yes. Now what we can do is we will just run the docker ps command here. No running containers are there. Okay, now docker image images, the MySQL image is there. So I'll just run this MySQL image and let's see what it shows. Docker, it will show error. See here, it got excited because it says you need to specify one of the following as an environment variable: root password, and okay, I will specify this one. Docker run -e MySQL. Let's copy here because I have to specify that. Here I will copy it. MySQL password. I will just put password MySQL password. Okay, then MySQL, and then we will run it. Okay, so it is running now. Okay, 3306. It is running on the port 3306. Now what we can do is we can just connect this into the Docker. So we'll just go into this container. Yes, MySQL is running. So to go into the existing container, we will use execution command -8 MySQL root password is equals to MySQL. This one equals to MySQL, then MySQL. Okay, so here it will not come. Dash. What? Okay, got it. This one maybe used to use it. Then dash. This is the